this video, we will see the matrix multiplication. For the matrix multiplication, initially they include two header files. After including the two header files, we write int main. So here we write the int main, so therefore in the last we write return 0. After that, we declare the three matrices, that is 2 by 2 matrices, so that is A, B and C. So these are the three 2 by 2 matrices, and I, J and K, this will be required here in for loop, so therefore we declare A. After that, we take the values for matrix A from the user. So to take the values from the user for matrix, so therefore we write for loop I is equal to 0, I is less than 2, I plus plus. In second for loop we write j is equal to 0, j is less than 2, j plus plus. Now first for loop is for row and second for loop is for column, and within this second for loop we write the scanf function to take the values from the user. So here we write %d to take the values from the user. So %d, and we will store these values at the address of ij. Now, as we have taken these values from the user for matrix A, in the same way we have to take the values for matrix B. Now here you can say that we can take the values for matrix B. So therefore again we will write the nested for loop. Within this nested for loop we write the scanf function %d, and we will store the values at the address of B of ij. Now in this way we can store the values for the matrix B from the user. Now after that we have to do matrix multiplication. So for matrix multiplication we will use this formula, that is C of ij is equal to A of ik multiplied with B of kj. So where k is cancelled, so C's indices will be I and j. So to execute this we will write the nested for loop. So within the first for loop we write I is equal to 0, I is less than 2, I plus plus. Within the next for loop, second for loop, we write j is equal to 0, j is less than 2, j plus plus. Within this we initialize C of ij is equal to 0. So then we write k is equal to 0, k is less than 2, k plus plus. Within this we write this formula C of ij plus equal to, it means this is assignment operator. So here we write A of ik multiplied with B of kj, and here in this way we just calculate the values for C of ij, but in this for loop we have not printed the values for C matrix. Now to print the values for matrix C we will write the another for loop. So therefore we write the we will print the product matrix. Now within the product matrix we write the first for loop, that I is equal to 0, I is less than 2, I plus plus. Now second for loop, within this for loop we print the values for C of ij. Then at the last we can say that we will write the return 0. Now in this way we have to perform the program, we can implement the program for the matrix multiplication. Now this is one of the simplest program that we can execute for the matrix multiplication. Now we will see that how we will see the output of it. So to print the values, the values for matrix A, it will be 1 1 1 1. The values for matrix B, it will be 2 2 2 2. Now you can say that the product matrix will be 4 4 4 4. Now this will be the output for matrix multiplication in the simple way. Thank you.